Chevrolet obviously did a lot right in 1967. Almost everything the company produced that year has achieved a wide following that seems to transcend several generations. Along with storied names like Camaro, Chevelle, Impala, and Nova, the coveted Stingray claims one of the largest enthusiast audiences in classic car culture. That's why cars like this impressive Top Flight 67 Corvette never stick around our showroom for very long. The beneficiary of not one, but two detailed ground-up restorations, this fully documented beauty wraps a numbers-matching 327 4-speed drivetrain in smooth Marlboro Maroon that's both sophisticated and sporty. Looking for a nice factory spec car, but favor aesthetics that command attention? Enjoy the best of both worlds in this awesome Corvette. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.